Good evening, welcome back. It's about 20 past 4. Me and Archie were on an evening walk. I think it probably looks a lot darker than what it shows on the camera. Let me flip the camera and see if I can do the dark justice. Come on, where have you been? I'm fucking waiting for you. Hey, go on then. Go on, go. Go on then. That's the other way. Go, 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 go. Go on then. Archie, go on. Go on then. Go. Go, go, go. Come on, you gotta go, dickhead. Go on, go. Go on then, go. Go. So we're not even halfway. Go on then, go. We are not even halfway on this walk. So we finished work, we're off for a walk. We've had a pretty relaxing but eventful weekend. So my friends Marco and Tina from previous videos that you'll see normally every winter, the German couple, they are back in the UK. I'll leave a link for their channel if you want to go follow them. And it wouldn't be a Marco and Tina travel to the UK if they didn't have any diesel heater problems. So this weekend they came to me at Mule on Saturday, and we tried to fix a few issues they had with their auto term diesel heater. So we managed to change a few cables, rewire some stuff in, change a fuel pump, but they've still got a few issues. And they departed back towards Wales, Oswestry, to go to Auto Term. Hopefully, I can't get the fucking camera right. So hopefully Auto Term can fix their diesel heater. They should do, because they're Auto Term. So I'm just waiting to hear back from them. We have it is now the 1st of December. We have a few jobs that we still need to do, even though I'm not actually going anywhere this winter, but still got a few jobs. One I'm going to do this weekend. My handbrake cable seems to be coming loose again, so I'm going to get that in, make the adjustment underneath, and just tighten up the old handbrake, ready for parking up at my mum's drive. And that's what we've been doing. The only other thing we have, and I will show you in a minute, we've been sent a power bank, so I'm just going to do a quick integration of the power bank and show you what it is and all that sort of stuff, and put a few links in the description of the power bank, so if you're interested you can purchase it and get a good discount. I'd love to pronounce the name properly, but I can't. VTOMAN, VTOMAN. So I'm going to stop waffling shit, and I'll see you in a minute before I fall over. See you in a bit. Shit, bye. And it's now completely pitch black. about half 4 now. Come on, Archibald. There's Archie there in his light. Come on, Archie. There. Pitch black. Come on, bud. Let's get back to the van. Come on, who's that? Who is it? Come on. There's a ghost out there. Come on, come on, go, go. So I'm going to go fill the kettle up. Kettle's filled up. That is into the AC pool. That's a little bit noisy. See how that does. 624 watts. And that is saying I've got 1.3 hours left. But I'm only at 54% anyway. So the kettle's finished. From 54% to 49%, it's used 5% of the battery. And now got a nice cup of tea. Let's plug this bad boy in. AC on. Hoover. Oh yes! And that's using 700 watts. So I've got less than an hour of use. 646 watts, easy, on the VTOMAN with the Hoover. Right, so next up on the test is air fryer. So let's plug this bad boy in. In fact, let's prepare something first. Back in a minute. Well, 200 is the top. We only need one. We only need it on for 4 minutes. $839 watts. So more than powerful enough for an air fryer that's big enough for one person. We just got. Pizza for dinner, Archibald. And what are you having? What's in here? Oh, you got chicken and tuna. Oh, you good boy. Yeah. Thanks, VTOMAN. If you're after additional power and additional capabilities to go off-grid that little bit longer, especially during the winter months, then having a portable power bank as a backup to your van electrical system, but also just to help out on the day-to-day runnings of your van and all that sort of stuff, then this is the perfect bit of kit. I've used many different power banks over the years and all that sort of stuff, from Jackeries to Aferis to now the VTOMAN, and this little thing here has been absolutely fantastic. I can only test it on what I've got in the van. It's used my electric kettle, it's used my Hoover, it's used my air fryer. It can charge your laptop, the iPad, your GoPros, and so on with ease, and it handles everything. And one of the things I do like about this with electrical systems as well is if you keep this, like I've done it in the past and throughout winters in Scotland, I've used this as a backup where I've plugged this into my electric hookup cable socket on the external part of the van, and back-fed the power from this into my electrical system, into my lithium batteries, which will then give me an extra 10%, about 60 amps into my electrical system, which is like a day's worth of electricity for running everything in the van during these winter months. So to have something like this as a backup to carry around has been absolutely a game changer, and I thoroughly recommend the VTOMAN Jump 2200. So just to summarize then, with the VTOMAN Jump 2200, yep, great bit of kit, can't fault it one little bit. It does everything that you need. It's cheap. It's probably one of the cheapest power banks out there on the market, which is a great seller as well, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And a big thank you for VTOMAN for sending me this power bank for review. So definitely a winter game changer and a winter van essential bit of equipment to keep hold of. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll speak to you or see you on the next video at some stage soon. And if I don't see you before Christmas, have an amazing Christmas, and I'll see you in 2026 at some stage. Take care. Bye for now.